This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about carafes, specifically this Forma 30-ounce round glass wine and water carafe. It's got a nice double wall design, and it's 4 inches in diameter and 11 inches high, making it a fantastic size. It features that wonderful double wall design to maintain the temperature of your beverages, and it makes the whole unit just beautiful and functional at the same time. It's great for using for water, wine, juice, iced tea, or a variety of other beverages. The design also features a spout for drip-free pouring, and it's dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean. It makes a stylish way to present and serve any beverage, making them perfect for restaurants, hotels, buffets, continental breakfast service, using at a B&B, or just for entertaining or meals at home.